Okay, so one way to reboot Windows 11 to safe mode is go down to the Start menu. In here, type CMD for command. Command prompt comes up. Right-hand click on it and say Run as Administrator. And then yes, you want to do that. Then here you type bcdedit, bit of a strange command, /set safe boot minimal. Hit enter and it will say the operation completed successfully. Now go down here to the Start menu and click on the Power menu and then Restart. And then when Windows comes back up again, here you see it's in safe mode. Now if you keep rebooting, it will stay in safe mode, so we need to reverse this process. And the way you do that is you go again to the Start menu and you type CMD and you right-hand click Run as Administrator. And now you type bcdedit as before, but now instead of /set we type /delete value space safe boot. Press enter and now go down to the Start menu and go again and restart, and then Windows will come up normally.